y'all.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. You already know your girl Alexis is back at it again with another video for y'all. And as you guys can tell by the title, you already know that this is gonna be a banger. And as you guys can tell by the title, I am doing how to lay your edges, or how I do it. Well, anybody can do it. And I'm gonna have a bun on my head and show y'all how I lay my edges. But without further ado, make sure y'all subscribe to our channel and make sure you guys give this a like if you like this video, and make sure you guys comment down other hairstyles I should do for you guys, or other video ideas, or even pranks. Okay, I got you, okay? But without further ado, let's get straight up into this video. So y'all, we finna get straight up into this video. So we just want to take down this hair and we gonna put this in a bun. I'm gonna bring y'all through the process so y'all can know step by step. Let me stop. Ooh. I took this mess out and it's huge. I put a lot of eco in my hair, so it's gonna be a mess, but I don't care. We just ruining this mess out. So before I even, okay, before I even, oh my God, I look bald headed. Oh my God. Okay, before I even get started with this, I forgot, but we finna you get what I'm saying. Okay, but I'm gonna show y'all the products I'm gonna use to lay my edges and do my little bun. So the product I'm gonna use a detangler brush. That's what I'm gonna use. Then I'm gonna use a hard bristle brush. Also this brush, you feel me? Soft side, hard side, you get what I'm saying. And I'm gonna use a comb, my wide tooth comb. And then I don't know, but I'm gonna use this comb, maybe, don't know. But most of all, to do my edges, you already know you gotta get that edge brush to make it slicker. Okay, but yeah, I got my little edge comb, and I'm gonna use this, whatever, to part my hair in the middle so I can detangle it. And then most of all, I'm gonna use my Eco Styler. I use the Argan Oil Eco Styler. So yeah, make sure y'all go get some, because this is what mostly slick down your hair, or some Gorilla edge thing. I'm gonna use me a water bottle for some water in my hair. And then I'm gonna use me some pink hair lotion. You get what I'm saying? It's the Oil Moisture Hair Lotion. But yeah, so those are all the products I'm gonna be using. So to do this hairstyle, that's what I use. So we just gonna get into this hairstyle. And yeah, first I'm gonna part my hair through the middle. So I could do this. Oh my God, this is a mess. I mean, I'm starting my part. Oh my God. Okay. Don't mind this white stuff. It really don't matter. Alright, so I kind of started my part. Okay, but now we're gonna get into my edges part. So basically I'm gonna show you step by step how I lay them, how I slick them, how I swoop them, and all that. But let's just get to the point. So I'm gonna use my edge brush with it, and then my Eco Styler with it, and that's what I basically use for my edges. So yeah, so we're gonna get to the point. So I'm gonna just dab some Eco Styler on it. It's not that much, but it's some to slick my stuff, you know. So we finna just put some at the spot I want my baby hairs slicked. So we got this part right there. And then we're gonna get some more. And then we just gonna put my finger, after I'm just brushing the hairs, we're gonna put my finger on it, and then we're gonna just swoop it back. You get it? Okay. Then we're gonna put some more, and then just bring it back. So that's how I basically made this one. But we finna make some more, so I'm gonna actually swoop it again for y'all. So we're gonna put some Eco on it. Put my finger so no hairs move. And then, yeah, that's how I made that one for y'all. And then we're gonna go on with the next one. Get the baby hairs out of their place. Get some more, because I gotta get some more. And then bring your finger on it and just swoop. That's how I did that one. And then we're gonna do another one. Not that much, cause you know. Okay, I'm gonna get some more baby hairs. I mean, no one could really explain how they do their edges. It's just you put your finger on it so no other hairs could move from their spot. But yeah, so I just keep on brushing it, and then when I'm done brushing it, I bring it and then I just swoop it. We're gonna do that one again, cause it's like looking a little bit not that good. Alright. I mean, I'm gonna use my comb now, just so it could look actually like the others. Okay, now we gonna do the other one. I mean, that's what I did so far. I'm gonna take my glasses off. So we do this. Oh my god. Hold up, y'all. Right there. I have to see because I can't really see. And then we're gonna put my finger right on the place. And then when you grab the brush, you bring the hair and just bring it back into your bun. And that's how you do that. Okay, then we're gonna go to the end of my hairs. Ooh, see that? I pulled out my hairs, my baby hairs. And when we're brushing it, you wanna grab onto it and bring it like that, and that's how you make that little swoop. So that's basically how I do my swoops or whatever. So we finna continue fast motion on the other side. So yeah. they look so slick. And as you can see, the only thing I use to do my edges is some Eco Styler and the edge brush. That's the only thing you need to do that little swoop, 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 swoop. There you go. It costs really cheap at the beauty supply store to get some Eco Styler or an edge brush. You can get Eco Styler from Walmart, but I request you to get it from a beauty supply store because they're more cheaper than any other place. Cause I got this for $2.99 or something for this big bucket or whatever. But I'm ready to give me that big, huge one. You feel me? Okay, but yeah, so yeah, this is the only thing I use to do my edges. So make sure you guys go get you some. Make sure you guys look at this video to see how I lay my edges. I mean, I could put a scarf on, but my edges slicked. You feel me? And my bun looking cute or whatever. But yeah, so hopefully y'all enjoyed this mini little video, how I slicked down my edges or laid down my edges in my little bun, how I did my bun, and how I slicker ricker them. But without further ado, make sure you guys give this a big thumbs up if you like this video, and make sure y'all most definitely subscribe. Make sure you guys comment down below any other video ideas I should do or whoever should do. It really don't matter, but make sure you guys comment down below any other video ideas I should do, like I said in the beginning, or pranks. It doesn't matter. I would love to hear a prank down below for me to do. Okay, but yeah, y'all. So make sure you guys subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys later.